A key area of focus for Uranium Energy Corporation is developing uranium projects with unique geology amenable to in situ recovery mining. In situ recovery, or ISR mining technology, is a proven mining method with less environmental impact and substantially lower capital expenditure requirements than conventional mining methods. ISR mining technology has been used to recover uranium from naturally occurring roll-front type deposits in the United States and around the world for the last 30 years, and accounts for 30% of the world's uranium production. In the uranium ISR process, the natural process that deposited the uranium in the sandstones is reversed. On-site groundwater is fortified with gaseous oxygen and is introduced to the uranium ore body through a pattern of injection wells. The solution dissolves the uranium in the sandstone uranium host. The uranium-bearing solution is recovered from the production wells and then pumped to recovery ion exchange columns. The ion exchange process involves removing the uranium from the pregnant well-filled solution and loading the uranium onto millions of synthetic resin beads. When the resin in an ion exchange column is loaded to the required capacity, it is transported to the processing facility for the stripping, filtering, drying, and packaging of the uranium. The uranium-loaded resin is hydraulically conveyed from the ion exchange column into a specially designed resin hauling trailer and then transported to the processing facility. This method of transportation has been successfully utilized by the uranium mining industry for over 20 years by companies such as Cameco. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the fully loaded resin beads are transferred to a separate stripping column to be eluted. A saltwater solution releases the uranium from the resin and back into the solution. The concentrated uranium-bearing solution is then precipitated with common reagents HCl and H2O2, yielding a uranyl peroxide slurry or yellowcake slurry. Once the resin has been eluted, the barren resin is transported back to satellite facility to be used in the ion exchange columns again. The yellowcake slurry is then pumped through a filter process which separates the uranium solids from the salt solutions by the implementation of filter cloths. The yellowcake is then washed with fresh water to rinse any dissolved contaminants from the filtered cake. The filtered yellowcake is transferred to a zero-emission vacuum dryer for further dewatering. Once dried, yellowcake product is packaged in steel drums for shipping to a conversion refinery. Uranium Energy Corp is committed to ensure the highest environmental health and safety standards are followed throughout the life of mining at its facilities. In situ recovery of uranium has proven to be one of the safest and most environmentally friendly types of mineral extraction technologies known.